Hey y'all, AC Boss. We're here at Top Golf for our monthly event with Grayson. The whole crew is filing in. I'm here with Morgan, our creative director. Y'all don't get to see her much. She's normally behind the camera. But look, I challenged them to a $1,000 cash prize for the longest drive. They've been talking trash all week long to try to determine who's gonna get the longest drive. They've been practicing in the backyard and stuff all week. So $1,000 on the line. Let's see how it turns out. Let's find the winner. Hey, wasn't you hit? No, you wasn't even nowhere close. We're looking for this guy right here. Woo! Look at this.
Eyeball there. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What was the number?
It was 249.
249 for a rookie. He brought out the baseball swing.
That's all I got.
I'm proud of you.